Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are uncovering the wonders of artificial intelligence. From the early days of ChatGPT to the mind-boggling AI achievements like transforming text into visuals and generating videos, we've been on an incredible journey. Today, we are tackling a topic that I know many of you are eager to delve into: the power of AI in crafting your very own website. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 outstanding AI website builders that empower you to create stunning websites. Whether it is for a sleek landing page, an impressive portfolio, or even a dynamic online store, I will guide you through creating a website with each of these platforms, showcasing their unique features and the distinct look and feel of the websites they produce. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it and witness the magic of AI website creation. First, let me introduce you to Mixerio. It is a website builder that uses AI to help you make a great website quickly. Whether you are starting a business or just want to share something you love, Mixerio can help. It is easy to use and adapts to what you want. So, let's see how Mixerio can make your website dreams come true. To get started, open your web browser and go to Mixerio. Then, create your Mixerio account. You can use your email or Google account to sign up. Once you are in, click on New Site to begin the website making process. Now, let's talk about your website idea. What kind of website do you want? It could be about anything: fashion, food, or your hobby. Describe it well so the AI understands your vision. If you are not sure, Mixerio offers sample ideas to help you get inspired. After describing your idea, click Generate Site. You can always make changes later. Now, watch as the AI works its magic to create your website. After the completion of the process, you will be presented with your website's main page. Simply select Save and Customize. If you find that the design doesn't meet your expectations, there is a comprehensive video tutorial available titled How Use AI to Create a Website in Just Minutes. This tutorial provides a complete walkthrough on using Mixerio, guiding you through the step-by-step customization process. If you're interested in understanding their pricing for potential upgrades, here is the breakdown. The basic site plan is priced at $9 per month. The growth site plan comes in at $9 per month, and the premium site plan is available for $39 per month. However, if you opt for an annual plan, you will enjoy 20% discount, bringing the cost down to $7, $15, and $29 per month respectively. The primary difference lies in the number of pages you can create. With the growth site plan, you can build up to 5-page website, while the premium site plan allows the creation of a substantial 50-page website. So, if you have a budget constraint, the basic site plan is a solid starting point. If you are looking for more flexibility, the growth site plan is a great choice for crafting 5-page websites. And for larger companies, the premium site plan offers ample resources. Ultimately, choose the plan that aligns with your budget and needs. Next up, allow me to introduce you to the Durable AI, a remarkable tool that can construct a website in a mere 30 seconds using artificial intelligence. This AI-driven website builder effortlessly generates a complete website complete with images and content in a matter of seconds. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in durable.co and hit enter. Once you are on the Durable website, you will want to click on the Sign In button located in the top left corner. Here, you have the option to sign up using your Google account, which is super convenient and fast. I will go ahead and use my Google account. After signing in, click on Create New Website. Now, it is time to provide some essential information about your business. Start by entering your business name, the industry it belongs to, your location, and the preferred language for your website. For this example, we will stick with English as it is widely spoken language. With your business details filled in, click on the Create Business button. Now, All you have to do is sit back and wait for the system to process your information and generate your website. It is incredibly quick and efficient. Unbelievable, right? In less than 60 seconds, your website is primed to make its grand entrance into the online world. The speed at which this happens is simply astounding. Gone are the days of grappling with intricate code and complex technical aspects. The platform is designed for ease of use, ensuring you have a fully functional website up and running in a breeze. Now, if you find you'd like to tailor it further because the initial design didn't quite hit the mark, customizing is a breeze. I have prepared a helpful video for you titled How to Create a Website for Free in Under 5 Minutes. It is a comprehensive step-by-step guide on utilizing and personalizing your durable website. If you are thinking about upgrading your plan within this platform, there are two enticing options to choose from. The starter plan is available at a monthly cost of $15, or you can opt for the annual plan at just $12 per month, with a 20% savings billed annually. On the other hand, the business plan is priced at $25 per month, or you can select the annual options at $20 per month with a 20% discount, billed annually. What sets the business plan apart is the inclusion of numerous unlimited features for your convenience. However, if you are just starting out, I recommend beginning with the starter plan. It is a more budget-friendly option for newcomers, and you can always consider upgrading as your requirements expand in the future. Before we explore our final AI website builder, I kindly ask you to consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell. This way, you will stay updated about our upcoming videos. Your support plays a crucial role in expanding our channel's reach, allowing us to assist more individuals interested in mastering the art of website creation with AI. We truly appreciate your support. Our final featured website is createwebsite.io, and we are at the forefront of revolutionizing website creation. Through leveraging advanced AI capabilities, we have streamlined the website building process to just a few clicks, making it incredibly easy to craft a visually stunning and highly effective website. Open your browser and go to createwebsite.io. Click on Get Started, located in the upper right corner, next to the login button. Then, click on Sign Up. If you don't have an account yet, you can choose to create an account using your email or your Google account. Use whichever option is most convenient for you. To get started, input the name of your project or business and provide a description. If you are unsure what to write, consider using ChatGPT to generate content that suits your brand. You can also add optional details like your location, contact email, and phone number. Don't worry if you don't have them yet. You can update them later. Click on Create Project to finalize your project creation. The AI will now work its magic, and in less than a minute, you will have your own website. This website provides you with default pages including home, about us, services, and contact. You have the flexibility to effortlessly add, remove, or rename these pages based on your preferences. To view the entire website, simply click on this link. It is as simple as that. You have successfully created a new website. Should you wish to make edits to specific sections or pages, don't worry, I've got you covered with another video titled How to Create a Website Using AI for Free with No Coding. This video offers a step-by-step guide on utilizing and modifying your website within createwebsite.io. If you are thinking of an upgrade for your plan, it offers three options here. First, there is the free plan, which we are currently using. Then, we have the basic plan, priced at just $2.99 per month per website. And finally, there is the agency plan, which requires you to get in touch with their support team for specific details. While the agency plan doesn't offer a yearly discount like the other two, it is remarkably cost-effective compared to the options we've got discussed earlier. While the free plan is enticing, I highly recommend opting for the basic plan. It is incredibly affordable and comes with the added benefits of custom domain connection and a free SSL certificate. However, if you are an agency managing numerous clients, then the third option, the agency plan, is the way to go, of course. In considering the three website options, my personal preference aligns with Durable AI. I appreciate how Durable AI offers extensive customization options for the website and delivers a visual pleasing design. Moreover, the cost effectiveness on Durable AI compared to Mixo AI is a significant factor for me, especially when working with a tight budget. Mixo AI is undoubtedly a great tool with comprehensive features, but given my financial constraints, Durable AI seems like a more valuable option. On the other hand, while CreateWebsite.io is a budget-friendly, the default design isn't exactly my taste. However, I believe that with some time and effort invested in editing and customizing the website, it can turn out to be great, tailored to my preferences. Ultimately, the choice among these three platforms depends on individual preferences, needs, and budget. It is essential to choose the one that resonates with you, whether it is about design aesthetics, customization features, or financial considerations. I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below and let us engage in a discussion about these website options. So, which website do you think you will end up upgrading? To sum it up, these three AI website builders provide a range of features and customization options. Your decision should ultimately be based on your unique requirements and personal preferences. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI-powered website builders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI-related content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos and see you in our next video.